What's up? It's your boy Solo Dinero, and this is my first video explaining my trades and just kind of documenting what I'm gonna do for the rest of my life. Yeah, so I'm gonna make these videos, kind of see where my mindset is at throughout the week, starting from Monday to Friday. Do a video on Sundays, Tuesdays, and Fridays to see my pre-market analysis, how I'm thinking. Kind of in the middle of the week, so either Tuesday or Wednesday I'll do another one just to refresh, see where my mindset is at, and then on Friday I'll do like a end of the week and how the market kind of closed and go from there. I just kind of want to pull up these charts and document what I took this morning and kind of see where I messed up at, where I did good at, and yeah, just kind of see if what I'm doing is working or if what I'm doing is not working. So we're gonna find out for sure. But here's my charts. I only trade I only trade these two pairs for real, just because they the ones that really pay you. So I trade XAU USD, which is gold, and I trade US30, which is the top 30 companies in America. That's Dow Jones. So usually you will hear Dow Jones. That's usually people within the stock market and stuff like that is talking about Dow Jones and stuff like that. So the trades that I did take this morning, there was news this morning. So if I go on Forex Factory, there was news this morning here at 8:30. They had the prelim GDP, and they also had unemployment claims. The unemployment claims, the forecast was 232 and the actual came out to being 231. So since the actual was under the forecast, then more than likely the market is going to go down because of that. And even here, this is green though. The prelim GDP, that since that was green, it kind of also made the market go up some more. So it kind of end off on a good week. But yeah, so what I did was, so Forex Factory 8:30, that's when the news hit, as you can see right here. So 8:30 news hit, and if you go on the charts, I'm on the 5-minute chart by the way. So if you go to here, this was at here's 9:30. All right, this is 8:30. So once that news dropped at 8:30, that's what pushed the market up. So at 8:30, that's when this happened. This whole candle was 8:30. This candle here is 8:35 since I'm on the 5-minute chart. So we got 8:30 pushed up crazy, and then it wicked out. And then once you see that wick out, you start to see that, all right, now I'm getting seller's exhaustion. So now I'm gonna kind of look for more sells than buys. But you never want to just jump in the market because you need confluences on why you're getting in. So this happened here, and then once 8:30 closed out a wick like that, I was like, okay, I kind of see that going down. So I waited until 9:30 when the market actually opened, because that's when all the volume was gonna come through. So at 9:30, I seen this wick out again, and I bitched out, man. I fucked up, man. Bro, I'm sitting here just looking at it, and I'm telling you this. I'm gonna go on the 1-minute, bro. I'm just staring at it. Thursday. This is 9:30. Bro, I'm sitting here. I'm looking at it. I see this shit go like this. And I see this come up right here. And I was like, I want to sell it. I want to sell it. But I did not execute, bro. And I did not push the button to sell. So because of that, I missed out on this huge move that just happened. How many points was this? Say I got in right here and got out. That's if I wrote it all the way down. But say I got in right there and then wrote it down to here. On a 0.01, that's $323. 323 right there. That's $323 right there, bro, that I missed out on. And then also, so let me tell you the trade that I did take. So I was in gold this morning. We'll go on the 5-minute and kind of see what I did on gold. So this morning I woke up at 7. So this is when the time that I woke up, which is, we'll go from 7, and we'll just put this box here. All right. So I got up at 7, and I was kind of just, you know, watching the price fluctuate. And then this is the 7 o'clock candle, and this candle dropped all the way down. So I kind of was like, okay, I see it coming down just because of this momentum. All these wicks right here, this wick, all these wicks, bro. All right, so all these wicks, this wick, this wick, this wick, this big ass wick, this wick. So seeing all those wicks, all that buyer's exhaustion, I was like, okay, I see the market going down, so I'm gonna give me a sell in. Let me see when my actual sell went, what price I had it at. So let's see. I'm not on MetaTrader no more. I'm trading through Trade Locker now. I'm so mad that what I did this morning. Crazy, bro. I messed up for real. So yeah, every time I mess up or break a trading rule, I have to do 100 push-ups. So today I have to do 100 push-ups. I still haven't done any, so GG. So my entry that I had on gold was 25.22. So let's do a line. 25.22. 25.22. 63. So 22.63, and then while it was dropping, I put another entry in at 25.19.89, which was 25. Dang, it's down here. 25.19.89. So these were the two trades that I had in, and once 8:30 happened, I was already in right here on this candle. So by 7:30 I was already in my trade. So by 7:30 I had a position here at the 25.22, and also had another position at 25.19. So the market was coming down, and then right here it did a pullback. And on these pullbacks is when I need to be getting my second entry or my scale in and start scaling in more entries. If I could have had this 25.19 entry be in this area here, especially on that cross of the MA and SMA. So having that cross and retested this neckline and retested the break of structure, yeah, that was a perfect entry. If I didn't even have this entry, I could have just kind of waited until this came up here, got an entry, and you would have seen little to no drawdown on that. So that's fire. But yeah, so those were the trades that I took. I took this trade, took it down. I closed early though. That's why I'm so mad, bro. I closed at 25.11. So I took the trade to 25.11.6. I closed them both. So on Trade Locker, you could press close all, and it'll close all your positions. You could exit on the main screen. Like I like Trade Locker for that aspect of, like, it gives you more freedom to do what you want as far as on the charts and going through the motions and all that stuff. So it's dope. But sometimes the charts be lagging and the bars don't show up. Like I'll even show a screenshot of this trade that I'm talking about now. It showed I was in profit, but the bar wasn't showing up, so I had to like close the app, reopen it, and show that the bar is there. So I ain't even feel like doing all that. I just took the screenshot, bro. And then I kind of got a rule to me too, so I say like if I do screenshots or if I do anything like that on the market, I might as well TP it, because if you out here doing screenshots, bro, you might as well just take it, because at any moment that shit can just reverse. But also kind of you can see what happened. Once I did withdraw, it kept going. So let's see, 25.11. That's when I got out. 25.11.6. We'll do that. All right, I got out right here, bro. And what I could have done is wait for my candles to start till I see like a slow in momentum. You see this like pin bar doji right here. Once I see that and this push down and doesn't pass this wick and doesn't continue that momentum going down, then you might as well exit the trade, you know? So that would have been a good time to exit here if you was, you know, a beast like that. This is also if you wasn't doing so. Right now I'm doing a counter trend trade because gold, as you can see, gold is in a crazy uptrend right now. So I was doing counter trend trading just now, but as you can see, gold has just been going up for the past weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. So, but seeing that gold has been going up the past weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks, what goes up must come down, bro. Let's be real. What goes up must come down. Right now, what I see for how this week is gonna end, this will probably, hopefully this daily candle engulfs this. If this daily candle closes under this line, oh, let me put a real line. Holy snap! If this daily candle closes under this bullish daily candle, then I am looking for straight sales until I get confirmation, or I'm gonna write it down to this moving average right here. But yeah, and that's basically 2,400. That's 1,000 points, bro. Will it drop 1,000 points? Who knows? You never know. But last time it did drop 1,000 points, which was before it got to 2,500 right here. This from the top to the bottom. Yeah, top to bottom of this move right here. That is 1,112 pips, bro. No, 1,120 pips. 1,120 pips. Sheesh. That is money right there. That is straight money. But yeah, and then from there, it went up. Boy, you don't even want to know. It went up 1,600 points. Almost 1,700 points. So that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. But yeah. So this is my plan for the rest of this week. Right now it's dropping, so once it comes down, I'm gonna wait for it to come down. Once this comes down, I'm gonna wait for it to come back up, retest this resistance, also retest these MAs and SMAs. Once it does that, I'll get my entry for a sell and kind of end off the week, and hopefully we can end off down here. This is that line that has the under the blue, under that previous daily candle. So as long as we keep momentum going down, that's what I plan on doing. But if that doesn't happen, and say it comes down, let's go to the hour. Say it comes down to this 1 hour right here and it hits this and it just continues to go up, then I'm actually going to be looking for buys. But I'm not going to look for buys until this alert hits and it breaks above it. So this will have to keep going up, come back down, touch this previous resistance, now turn support, and then go up. So my entries would be here, and kind of just scale in and take this to, you know, wherever I see resistance again. So as you can see, once it went up last time, let me take this off. When it went up last time, went up crazy, and you got this crazy wick down. After that, it went down and down. So, you know, you just gotta wait for the wicks. Once you get that exhaustion and your signals to get out, that's when you want to get out. But yeah, bro. So right now, I'm kind of just waiting for this to play out. What I'm planning to do is I'm gonna do live streams when I do at least take my trades in the morning, and that'll kind of show me how I'm thinking in the morning as well. Because what I want to do is just basically hold myself accountable, and that's the whole point of me doing these videos and documenting it and putting it on social media. And you know, if y'all get some nuggets out of it, if you get some knowledge out of it, that's even better for me too. So if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and put them in the comments, and then I'll get back to each one of y'all. And yeah, bro, that is it. Yo, GG's.